This is Birdnote. In 2014, on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington state, the dams on the Elwha River were removed. It was the largest removal of its kind in history. As the river ran free again, salmon from the Pacific were able to spawn upstream for the first time in 100 years, having a dramatic impact on American dippers, lively little riverside birds. Biologists with the Lower Elwha Clallam Tribe, the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center, and Ohio State University drew small samples of blood from dippers that they then released unharmed. Analysis of blood and feathers showed that birds with access to salmon have higher survival rates, and the females have better body condition than those with no access to the fish. These dippers are also much more likely to stay on their home territories rather than expend energy to forage widely. And they're 20 times more likely to attempt raising 2 broods in a season, the most important contributor to population growth. So nutrients from spawned-out salmon and salmon eggs are giving the river's ecosystem new vitality. Today's show is brought to you by Forterra, creating vibrant communities and conserving great lands in Washington state. For Birdnote, I'm Mary McCann.